Hello, greetings. I'm Marina Orms, the founder of Astrology Heals at astrologyheals.com. And today is Thursday, June 9th. I am here to talk to you about the vibe of the day. I shared yesterday a little bit about Libra, and the moon is still in Libra all day today, helping us work through any issues that might be coming up in relationships. So that could be romantic relationships, it could be work relationships, it could be friendships, it could even be family members, but it's something where it's an issue that you need to work out with how you relate to another person, basically. And how you do that is, of course, helpful to your own self-care. So when you have healthy relationships, the best way, of course, to create healthy relationships is by attending to your own self and your own well-being and caring for yourself so that you can be able to share of yourself and be a good listener and be able to both give and receive with another person. So Libra is all about how we do that. It's about relationship, excuse me, but it's also, of course, about how we show up in relationship, which is about how we take care of ourselves. So attend to your own self and your own needs first, and then you'll be the most effective, the most able to see the places where you might need to grow or learn or change, or whether there's something that about you that you are learning or something about you that is evolving. So those, of course, are the places where we have the ability to have healthier relationships. And sometimes it might be you need to have a boundary within a relationship. You need to claim space for yourself, or you need to state your own needs. Sometimes it means you might have to let go of some attachments you have to be open and receptive to hearing the perspective and the needs of another person. And ultimately that is there to help us learn and grow, which is why we're here, right? It's why we're here in this life. And learning and growing together is just so rewarding. So that Libra energy with the moon in Libra lasts for, the moon stays in a sign for anywhere from 2 to 2.5 days. It gives us this opportunity as we move through the moon cycle to go through each of the zodiac signs as we work on giving some attention to that area of life. So this is the day, one of the 2 to 2.5 days in which we are working on Libra parts of the cycle. And we are in a Gemini new moon cycle, meaning that the new moon, the last new moon, was in Gemini. So we planted our seeds in the cycle that is about curiosity, information gathering, learning, asking questions, and questioning the status quo, questioning what is presented to us so that we can look a little deeper and learn a little more about how to see things, how to understand things, that takes us into the realm of where information is, there's always something deeper. When we start asking questions, there's always something more to discover and more to learn, right? Which is why we're here. So as we go through this Gemini moon cycle, we have another air moon. Gemini is an air sign. Libra is an air sign. As the moon goes through this air sign, we have another opportunity to look at how we think about things and to ask questions. And in particular, during Libra, it's about how we do that in partnership together with another person. So we're heading toward the Sagittarius full moon. We'll go through, after Libra, we'll go through Scorpio, and then the moon heads into Sagittarius, where we have a full moon, and the cycle culminates there. So thanks for watching. I will be back tomorrow to let you know more about what's happening then. All right. Thanks for watching. And I would love it if you are enjoying these videos. I would love it if you can subscribe to my channel. I have the intention to bring you information that is based in astrology for unshakable self-care that can support you in being most effective, most authentic, most powerful in your ability to make a positive difference for yourself and the world. Thanks for watching. Check me out at astrologyheals.com. I'll see you next time.